Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola E40 and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System, tap on Advanced, and here you'll find Reset Options. In the Reset Options you have the option called Delete All Data, Factory Reset. Once you tap on it, it gives you a message that performing this will remove everything that is listed right here. So if you have anything that is listed right here that you would like to keep, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, truth be told, only about half of this list is important, so things like photos, music, user data is important. The rest of it can be basically regained. But anyway, to begin, simply select Erase All Data. Sorry for that. Now, if you have some kind of PIN, pattern, password on your phone like I do, you will need to confirm it right here. And then again, tap on Erase All Data. This will now begin a process which will probably take about like 3 to 5 minutes to finish up. And once it has, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.